Phones first thing after waking up in the morning, time of eating. Phones for studying, phones for talking to friends, phones even before Sony. Phones even inside the bathroom. Hey, if you have so much time, then you do. And spend as much time with yourself as you do with your phones. You spend time together, but this is not just your condition. This waste is going on all over the world. People use their smartphones an average of 200,617 times a day. People check their mobiles every 12 minutes. Hey, if every 12 minutes of the day you reach your goal, had I remembered my goal, I do. I'd know where I would have been today if I had picked up my books 17 or even 200 times a day since 2006. I don't know where I would have been. The phones was made to make you sit less, but this phones. Everyone is so engrossed in this thread that no one seems to be able to stop it. It seems that just keep the mobile going. There is such a paradise inside the small screen from which no one feels like coming out. The pupils of the eyes get spoiled due to the mobile. The species is shrinking. Keeping the mobile with you for a long time causes the DNA to get destroyed. Carrying the mobile with you at night can cause brain hemorrhage. Keeping the mobile with you for a long time can lead to problems like cancer and brain tumor. Talking on the phone too much can damage your ears. You can become spoiled. You can become an outsider. Peeping into the lives of others all day on social media can cause depression in you. You can become a victim of mental illness, sitting all day long. Playing games can ruin your career, your life. All these things are power. You may already know this, but still this mobile has held your hand in such a way that you cannot even leave it alone for more than 10 minutes. Believe me, your mobile is not in your hand. The phone has held you in its hand. I have held it, and its grip is so strong that today you are watching this video. You want to know, you want to remind yourself how to get rid of the phone's habit. Let me tell you a very interesting thing. Martin Copper, he wrote 50 years ago he himself had invented the smartphone. He is sad to see such condition of human beings today. He himself tells in his interview that to do all this, he had invented the smartphone. People have taken the use of phones to all limits. The one who created the mobile does not use the phones for more than 1 hour a day. But the person who has to make his career, has to make his future, has to make his life, is responsible for his future. He has left everything behind and is busy with the phones. Look at the phones. It is not a very difficult thing to give up the addiction of mobile. We ourselves do not want to give up this addiction. We always find some new sister to use the phones again and again. Every day you stop making excuses to yourself and start using the dog phones properly. Do it one day and you yourself will realize that this is just a small device which was made for your use, but till date you have been using it. So You are watching this video right now on your phones. The more you fear, the more it will ruin your life.